If we were to use the power rule to find the derivative, we would have f prime of x being equals to minus 2. But we are supposed to use first principles. This just helps us to know which answer we're supposed to get. So using first principles, we will then say f prime of x is equals to the limit as h tend to 0 of f of x plus h minus f of x, everything divided by h. So f of x plus h will be equals to minus 2x plus h plus 3. This is equals to minus 2x minus 2h plus 3. Right. So f prime of x therefore is equals to the limit as h tends to 0 of minus 2x minus 2h plus 3 minus 2x plus 3, everything divided by h. So the limit as h tends to 0 will be minus 2x plus 2x, that is 0, and then plus 3 minus 3, that is 0. So we're left with minus 2h over h. So this is equals to minus 2. 8.1. Before we do 8.2, if you want past papers, study notes, study guides, so on and so on, visit allpastpapers.com. allpastpapers.com. Check the link on the description. Okay, so we're looking for g prime of x when g of x is equals to minus 3x to the power 4 plus 2x. So using the power rule, g prime of x will be equals to minus 12x to the power 3 from 3 multiplied by 4. This is minus 12. And then 4 minus 1 is 3 plus 2. Okay. And then 8.2.2, y is equals to 2x to the power 4 plus 1 divided by x squared. We're supposed to find dy over dx. So we need to simplify y in a way that we can derive first. Before we say dy dx, you cannot simplify y while saying dy dx. That is wrong. So this is 2x to the power 4 over x squared plus 1 over x squared. So y is equals to 2x squared plus x to the minus 2. Okay, so dy over dx, now I want to derive, will be equals to 4x minus 2x to the minus 3. So dy over dx is equals to 4 minus 2 divided by x to the power 3. 4x rather, not just 4. So that is 8.2.2. Past papers and study notes at allpastpapers.com. If you like this video, you will definitely love my course. Go ahead and click the link on my bio and you will land on this page. You will not only find the past exam questions, but introduction videos where I break down complex concepts into small pieces that are easy to digest. It is very important in grade 12 to stay ahead of your teacher, and this is what this course is for. It's very easy to navigate through the course as videos are arranged into collections. You can clearly see that we have electrostatics, work energy and power, Doppler effect, so on and so on. Do you maybe need help with study tips and creating your own timetable? We can talk about that inside the course and I can help you out. It doesn't even take a minute to join. Can't wait to hear from you.